In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add Klarna to Stan Store. First thing you need to do is to make sure to head over to stan.store and you should be able to click onto this sign up or log in if you already have an account. If you don't have one yet, proceed to sign up, or you can also click on this continue and proceed to log in by adding your details. Now here is my actual Stan Store. In order to actually add your Klarna, you need to click onto this settings. And then from in there, they should open this. Click on this payments option. You can see that we can add Stripe. We can also add PayPal. So in here, we also have other store checkout options that we have onto this part. If you wish to add Klarna, you can proceed to register it to Stripe, or you can also enable integrations using this part. So if you haven't seen an integration, click on this request. This will open in here this window wherein you can actually request the actual Klarna to be added. So click on continue right here and then put in here your integration request that you wish to use into this part. For this case, let's input Klarna. Click on OK. Then type what this integration is for. Click on OK and choosing here if it incurs extra charge. Click on submit and choosing here close option. Now just wait for Klarna to be available into the actual Stan Store. So you can actually enable it through this part, or you can also go over to your payments and then just receive payments through Stripe if Klarna is unavailable for this particular case. So just choose how you want to actually do this into your own Stan Store. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out with everything you need